Good morning, my name is Justin Darrenpour. I work at Grow Speak. I'm here at the marketplace this morning to cook you a chili. Got the vegetables to dice. Right, garlic. Right, that's stage one over. I've diced the vegetables. Now I'm going to put in the beef. Right, we've got minced beef here. If you want to do a vegetarian version, you could use corn mince or textured vegetable protein. Smells nice already, I think. This has been cooking for about 5 minutes now, the beef. It's nicely browned. I'm going to add in the garlic. The spices we're going to use, we've got cumin, paprika, that gives it a lovely beautiful red colour, mild chili powder here. So I'll put a bit of cinnamon in. I think a teaspoon of that. You don't want to overdo the cinnamon. That's the end of that stage. You'll let that cook for another minute or two. The vegetables, the beef and the spices been cooking now for probably 12 minutes maybe. Now we're going to add the tomatoes. Tomatoes in. You could use kidney beans, black beans, baked beans, oxo cube. I'm just going to cook this gently for about 40 minutes. It'll simmer down, the flavours will get more intense, and it should hopefully be delicious. Right, so the chili's been bubbling away here for about 40 minutes. I'm going to slice that up. Fresh chilli there, got the limes there. So now I'm going to serve up. Imagine that's a plate. I'm going to put some chili on top, like that. Bit of avocado around. I'm going to put some sour cream, like that. And that looks lovely, doesn't it? A few chilies on top. There you go. There's chili con carne with sour cream, avocado, relish, and fresh chilies on top. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I enjoyed making it, certainly. The recipe cards are on the website at the marketplace. You make a big batch of it. You can put all the little fancy accompaniments to go with it, and it looks like you made a real effort. But as you can tell, it only took about 20 minutes preparation max and about 40 minutes cooking. So that's, to me, very good. Thank you very much.